Okay, it's Josh and Charlotte again here. We're doing a walking tour of the stairs because Charlotte is obsessed with stairs. So come along our ride with us today. All right, everyone. Well, that's our tour today of this Toll Brothers model, the Crawford. This is Josh C. again here, realtor with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Rocky Mountain Realtors in Fort Collins, Colorado, with my assistant, Charlotte, assistant to the realtor, to be exact, and she really wants my glasses, and then I won't be able to see, and then who knows what will happen, right, Charlotte? If you're interested in this home, Toll Brothers home, new construction, in general, new construction has a ton of great options. Let me know. Or if you just want to see this cutie pie, we can arrange that because let's face it, she really is the brains behind the operation. Contact me. All my contact information is on the screen or down below. Text me, email. I'm on Instagram at @SeeItSoldJosh and Facebook at @SeeItSoldJosh, as well as TikTok at @SeeItSoldJosh. Until then, join us on our next epic home tour. You never know what we're gonna get into. We'll talk to you next time. And go up the stairs first. Wow, yeah, I can see why that. Thank you, I'll hold that.